Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do our mini Mondays, and we have 51s as per usual. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I have 7. Yep, 7 challenges today because we are trying to get that 30 envelope challenge squared away as fast as possible. And we're gonna we'll do a 3-sided die to see how many bills we're going to put on each one. We're going to start with number 4. So how is everybody's weekend going? Or how was everybody's weekend, rather? I mean, I hope it was all good. We are just, doing normal things over the weekend, cleaning, laundry, all the adulting things that are no fun. I do try to film a little bit ahead when I can. So, 2. I am working on a new 2026 Savings Challenge book. I'm almost done with it. It's like a Wizard of Oz theme because Wizard of Oz is my all-time favorite movie. I did just recently watch Wicked. I did like it. I feel like I'm gonna have to watch it again because I was at work while I was watching it, so I wasn't 100% focused on it. But I did enjoy it. I thought it was very interesting. And then I have 1 bill left, so we'll put it on 1. And we'll move our paper clip to number 2. And then I do have my buyback money. All right, and we have challenge number 1. This is our brand new challenge, Budget with Carly. And we saved today 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we're going to have 1 rollover. So we have 2, 4, and 6. So I think I will... yeah, okay. So we'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we'll just fold up the 1 and put it in front. So that way, hopefully I will remember next week that that is rollover. All right, we have challenge number 2. That is our 30 envelope challenge helper. We need $19 there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and, oh, I didn't wipe those off from last time. All right, so we have a 5 and then 7. So this one just needs $12 to finish. And these are available on my Etsy. I love using them. They come in handy. All right, and challenge number 3 is, let's see. All right, this one is from Buttercup Budgets. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Wow. Isn't that weird how everything has been getting $7 so far? So let's see. If we make, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have 4. We kind of want to, let's just make them 2. That way. So we have 2, 4, 6, and 7. So we just need $2, $4, and $6 to finish that one. And so far, we have 10, 15, 20, and 27. Oh my goodness. All right, and challenge number 4. And then I also did make, if you follow Kimmy's budgets on Etsy, or on Bajan Girl Budgets on YouTube, she's having a Wicked challenge. So I did create a challenge for that, and I'm super excited to be able to send that to her. And so this spring challenge from Budget with Amanda saved us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 7. Wow, that's just weird. That's weird. Weird. So we'll color in this 3. And then 5. And then 6 and 7. Perfect. And then all together, this has saved us 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Awesome. All right, I know we have at least 110. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Need that. And then we can do the other 10. All right, so we're at 22. Perfect. We need 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 left to finish that one. So we should be able to finish that in another week, probably 2 weeks. All right, and we have challenge number 5. And this one is from Budget with Lisa. And today it has saved us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh my gosh. I just can't even, with the fact that, no, did that wrong, Nicole. The fact that everything has saved, everything got $7. That's wild. All right, so each of these is 2. So we have 2, 4, 6, and then we'll do half of 1. So far, this has saved us, Budgeting with Lisa has saved us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, I don't have any more 10s. And that one is almost completed. I'm kind of sad. I don't think we're going to finish any challenges today. That's okay. Still sad. Oh, no, I might have misspoken. So this one is Boss Babe Budgets, and today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I don't know why. The dice gods were just in our favor today, I suppose. All right, so this one just needed 5. 5. All right, so altogether, this one has saved us 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Woo! So perfect. And this one is going to go to our end of the month randomizer. Put this one off to the side. And then let's get us a new challenge. I know I have some within reach, but I can never find them. Okay, let's go with this one since it is, I think I got this in a freebie, Budget with Liz. And each bow is $2, so that's perfect. And this one will save us $32. All right, and we are on our last challenge, number 7. All right, this one is from Divine Savings Co., and it has saved us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, okay. All right, and that was our last buyback cash, so that is perfect. So we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. We are almost down to just our water droplets. So let's see how much this has saved us so far. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Perfect. And I will have everybody linked down below, so go ahead and check their channels out and show them some love. All right, so we only got one challenge completed today. Not a big deal. One is better than none, and it's just going to go to our stash with our $1 of completed. I just got to find my envelope. I don't know where she went. Is it in here? Yes, okay. There it is. Okay, and this one is going into our completed savings challenge bag. I do condense from there sometimes, so that's why it may not look like there's much. And then this is so far our finished saving challenges for September. And like I said, when I wasn't filming, I didn't hang on to them. So now that I am, I'm kind of interested to see how much at the end of the month we will have in here. I'm excited. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.